Have you ever wanted to watch something on Netflix that was blocked or unavailable in your country? You're not alone. Many people struggle with this, but there's a way to bypass those restrictions. So Netflix cookies can help you unlock shows and movies from different countries, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So here are 5 ways that you can use Netflix cookies. Number 1, use a reliable VPN like NordVPN to change your location and access content from other regions. Number 2, download cookies from trusted sites that can give you access to another region's Netflix catalog. Number 3, add cookies to your browser settings to unlock international content. Number 4, clear cookies from your browser to refresh your Netflix account and remove any unwanted restrictions. Number 5, use cookie managers like Edit This Cookie, that's what it's called, Edit This Cookie, to easily add and remove cookies from your browser. So imagine having access to all of Netflix hidden gems. It's easy to get started, and with these simple steps, you'll be unlocking new shows in no time. All right? If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.